1/4 of the waistline measurement plus 1/2 in sewing. Allowance and 1-inch zipper allowance. 1/4 under bust measurement plus 1/2 inch sewing. Allowance and zipper allowance. The 1-inch zipper allowance is Servia's bonding allowance. For the front, 3 inches 1/2 of bust distance. From the center of bust distance measure to and a half for bust pad hole. Connect the markings. Draw the bonding line. For bonding line, it is zipper allowance. That's why the front and back are same size when cutting. Pattern. Fold the cloth for the front. Back and front are the same because of the bonding. Transfer the bonding markings. Cut the bust pad hole throughout the pattern. Use technique by hand guiding the lines. Enjoy learning. Follow for more. After cutting the cloth to cover, we will assemble it to make it ready to attach the body. Attach the upper part and the lower part. 1/2 inch allowance for sewing. Less 1/2 inch each side to get thinnest fit. Because our cloth is stretchable, always get the center to make it balance each side. And put a markings to make it easy to tap the attachment. Attach the cloth from the back side of the bust pad. Cut the excess cloth of the 1/2 inch adjustment. To make the cloth stable, stitch it to the machine. sew the center with the piping. Fold the remaining cloth to make it clean-looking. Second way is sewing the two sides of piping and sew to main. Sewed with 1/4 for boning from center. And all the boning markings also 1/4 inches. This boning partition is 1/4 inch each except the center, because it is covered with piping. Then after that, attach the bust pad. This is how to do the partition for boning. Create stitch that is exact remef or stick bone. Sew the back and front side. Attach the back body to the front body. Just divide the body parts at your desired stick bone you want. To put on bit boning partition, this is how I do the boning partition when doing a pattern. Do the same to the other side. This is how I put the 4-bra pads connecting toe body. The tulle is 1.5 inch wide folded, then attached from the upper part. Fold the remaining cloth to hide end to make it clean looking. How I insert the stick bone. Cut the stick 3/4 shorter than the cloth to where it's to insert. The piping I put on is American tall. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.